So welcome to the Future Excerpts Holiday Edition. It's that special time of year when we get to give and get gifts around technology. So we've done a video before all about the Oculus Quest. So I won't go into details other than saying it's the first item on our list. It's amazing in that you have complete virtual reality experience in something that is self-contained, mobile, and only $399. And it's not just for gamers. Facebook Horizon will be released soon, which will create social experience opportunities, as well as you can watch your favorite Netflix movies or Amazon Prime videos on this headset. So this is definitely our #1 gift recommendation.
Next up is Snapchat Spectacles 3. The AR glasses feature 2 stereoscopic HD lenses that are able to capture depth to create 3D photos and videos at 60 frames per second, and 4 microphones to record immersive high-fidelity audio. Content can then be wirelessly transferred to your phone to add different filters and effects before sending to your friends or uploaded to YouTube as a 360 video for a more immersive viewing experience. The glasses are available in 2 sleek metal finishes, black or rose gold, for $380.
Next up on our list is the Elegoo Mars 3D printer. Unlike a lot of other consumer 3D printers, this one doesn't use spools of filament. Instead, it's a stereolithography printer which uses liquid resin. Inside the printer, a UV laser flashes and hardens the components of the 3D print itself. This is both a very extraordinary technology, as well as the prints themselves can have extraordinary levels of detail. What's also amazing about this printer is the price. At only $250, this could be the perfect gift for someone on your list who is interested in 3D printing.
Continuing with the 3D printing theme, next up we have a line of athletic shoes from Adidas called the AlphaEdge 4D. These shoes use the same stereolithography technology to print the midsoles in a lattice work that gives the shoes a lot of comfort without a lot of weight. The shoes are a bit pricey, starting at around $300, but they are the perfect opportunity to wear something that has been 3D printed.
Next, we have the Nintendo Labo VR Kit. For those unfamiliar with the Labo series, it is a DIY kit that allows you to build various cardboard accessories to transform your Nintendo Switch into different interactive objects. The VR kit comes with step-by-step instructions to make a VR headset for a more immersive type of gameplay. As a bonus, it is compatible with popular titles like Breath of the Wild and Super Mario Odyssey, and you can get this kit for only $79.99.
So that's a wrap of our holiday gift recommendations. I hope you have a great holiday season, and I hope to see you at our next Future Excerpt.